Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Grand Cherokee thermostat. First, gather your tools, including a socket set, pliers, and a drain pan. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. You'll also need a new thermostat, a new gasket, and fresh coolant. This process can save you money on labor costs and keep your engine running efficiently. Next, place a drain pan under your radiator and open the drain plug to empty the coolant. Once drained, carefully remove the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing. You might need pliers to loosen the clamp. Then, use a socket wrench to unbolt the thermostat housing. Be prepared for any residual coolant to spill out. Now, clean the mating surfaces on the thermostat housing thoroughly. Install your new thermostat, ensuring the spring faces the engine, and use a fresh gasket. Reattach the housing and tighten the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect the upper radiator hose. Finally, refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant mixture. After refilling, start your engine with the radiator cap off and let it run until it reaches operating temperature. This helps bleed any trapped air from the system. Keep an eye on the coolant level and top it off as needed. Carefully inspect all connections for leaks. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.